Okay, today we're going to take a self-interest inventory, and we've talked about the different categories of interest that fall into people, things, ideas, and data. And the document that you need is going to be called 101, People, Data, and Things, and it can be found in the share drive, the Mrs. Springsteen file, the 6th grade file, and then it's going to be 101 People, Data, and Things. I want 2 pages on this document. There happens to be another one, and it's called People, Data, and Things. The first page, it's only the first page, so don't open that one. But we can find out if we have the correct document, even if you can't remember the name. If you pick Preview, if you click on a document, you'll get a preview window and you can look at it. And if I scroll down, I can see that this doesn't have a second page. Okay, so that's not the one I want. So I want the one that actually has the objective number in front of it. So it's going to be 1.01 Attitudes Add Up. And I know I'll double check it, and then I'll show you how, you can see there's the second page. Oh, wait a minute, that's the wrong one. Sorry. It's supposed to be People, Data, Things. That's after, and that's several pages. It's difficult to think and talk at the same time, apparently. It's this one right here. Okay. And it'll come up read only, so you're going to have to save it. I forgot to, and this one is the right one. It's got 2 pages, but I could check that in the preview window before I opened it. But it's read only, so I need to save it to my own space, because I won't be able to make any changes on it unless I save it to my network location, which is the H drive. And then I already have one of these in here, so I'm going to have to save it as a different name. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to be able to put checks in these boxes. If any area that pertains to you, you're going to put a check in here, and that means you're going to say yes to it. So in other words, you read this section and you'll say, do you or would you like to entertain a child? That's a true statement. You put a check in here. In order to put a check, I need to go to the Insert tab, and then I'm going to use symbols. I've used the check recently, so it's up in this shortcut area, but if it's not in that area, you can go to More Symbols, and it's under the Wingdings fonts. You have several different options here, but the check is under Wingdings, and it's going to be on the bottom row. See, it's right here. Anything you've used recently also will come up here, but if it's not up here, you have to get it from the main area, which will be right here. You click on it, and then you put Insert. Okay, and then I'll close it, and you'll see it's in this area. Okay, I want this to be centered, so if I select it, I can go back to my Home tab, and you see how it's left aligned? I want it to be centered, so I'll click on my Center button. Now I can right-click on it and copy it, and then I can just paste it wherever I want it to be. Okay, the next one is, do you or would you like to listen to a friend's personal problems? No, I wouldn't. Okay, and then I'd say for the next one, do you or would you like to teach someone how to do something? Yes, it's a good thing I like to do that because I'm a teacher. So then I will paste, and then so you have it. Right click and paste. Okay?